Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you my how-to brow routine. I'm using the Anastasia Brow Wiz in the shade Taupe. So I just kind of comb through my brows and then lightly draw an outline on the bottom and the top. And right here, I'm just lightly going in and just filling them in. I really like this brow product, but I really like the It Cosmetics Brow Power one. That one's just a little bit thicker. This one you have more of a steady hand doing it and can kind of build it up. So I'm building up my arch right now on both sides. And I'm just going to continue to fill them in lightly. So yeah, I'm still trying to get my setup how I would like it. I got this ring light in, and then I've kind of got my background a little bit better, but I'm taking steps. We're getting there, so just bear with me on that. Okay, and now I'm going to take the It Cosmetics Brow Power in, again, the shade Taupe. And I'm just going to start to use this to fill in kind of where my arch is out towards the tail. It makes it a little bit darker and thicker looking. So I really like to use this product for that specific area, and it just makes the arch a lot sharper. You just kind of have to be careful with this product because it is intense. It's great. You just kind of have to have a light hand with it. I'm thinking about getting a background or backdrop, but I'm not sure what color I would want to do. So if you guys have any ideas, let me know. So yeah, I'm just continuing to fill that in and kind of shape it up how I would like it to be. And now I'm doing the other side, again, just with a light hand. I'm actually waiting on a package from ColourPop. I got Kathleen Light's new launch of her blushes and some of her favorites that she mentioned in her one of her recent YouTube videos. And I can't wait to get that in and kind of do a try on and show you guys like what I think of the products. I'm sure that they're gonna be great. So hopefully I will get that in maybe at the end of this week or next week so I can get that video posted for you guys. I'm also waiting on a package from Amazon. I'm getting I think it's Vanna Cream Gentle Face Cleanser. So I'm going to be trying that out. I've heard great things about it and that it's really helped people like clear up their skin and just feel really nice on the actual skin. So I can't wait to try that out and give you guys an update on that. I've been using the Murad Acne Anti-Aging Acne one, and I really like that one too. Okay, now I'm going to take the little spoolie side of the It Cosmetics Brow Power and just kind of comb through my brows and kind of diffuse the front part so it's not as sharp or clustered. It just kind of smooths out the product and gives you that kind of faded look in the front of real like hairs. If you guys know anything good for pores or diminishing pores, let me know in the comments. I would love to hear if you do. Okay, so I'm taking an Anastasia concealer pot. I actually got this at TJ Maxx, but I really like it. It's really pigmented, and it looks like that. And I'm going to use this to kind of carve out my brows and just make them stand out a little bit more. I usually just do more of a natural eyebrow routine. I mean, I like more natural stuff for my eyebrows, but I do love a bold brow. And I've been getting into more of the feathery looking brows and brow gel and stuff like that. So this is how I've been doing my eyebrows recently, and I've been really liking it. And I'm also going to carve out the top where my arch is, just to intensify that again some more. I really think carving out your brows makes them stand out even more in a good way, and I've really liked doing this step when I remember to do it or whenever I have the time to do it. And then I also like to kind of carve out the front just a little bit to define it more and kind of smooth out any like roundness. For some reason at the front, mine get kind of rounded, and I want it to be more sharp. And I'm going to take that Anastasia Brow Wiz again and just kind of focus on my front part of my eyebrows and just kind of make it look more hair-like and stand up a little bit. And this brow pencil is really good for the front portions of my eyebrows. I kind of take my time and just fill them in to make sure that they're not sparse and that they look pretty full. And now I'm just kind of cleaning it up a little bit. Ignore the yellow nail polish on my nails. It will not come off. I'm slowly getting it off, but yeah, it stained them pretty bad. But yeah, I'm just filling them in a little bit more at the arch and just kind of really defining them a little bit more. And that's kind of what it's looking like right now. And here is a close-up in slow-mo for you guys. And that is how they're looking. And I'm just going to continue to fill them in a little bit more just to be precise. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Ulta Beauty Brow Shaping Gel in clear, and I'm just going to put this throughout my brows and make them kind of stand up a little bit more. And I like this brow gel. This is actually the only one I've ever used. I want to try the e.l.f. ones that came out. I think they're kind of tinted, but I would like to try that out. I really like doing this step for my brows now. It's made them look more feathery and full, and I really, really love how it ends up turning out. And now I'm just going to take that concealer again, and I'm going to apply that all over my lid and just kind of brighten up my eye area. And this is kind of how I prep my eyes anyways. This is just an eyebrow tutorial and kind of like a prep for your eyes. I'm actually using, it's a flat brush, but it's like a mermaid brush that my friend that I work with got me for Christmas one year. She got me a whole set. I believe she got them off of Amazon. So yeah, once you start filling that in with the concealer, I'm just gonna pat that in. You could use a beauty blender or a brush, but I'm just using my finger to kind of pat that in and get it kind of smoothed out before I go in with a setting powder to set it. I really try to pat this in just to smooth it out and kind of eliminate the creases that it can get, and just smoothing it out on the front as well. Okay, so now I'm going to take my setting powder. It's the Maybelline Fit Me in 05, and I'm going to use this BH Cosmetics brush to set my eyes. I usually always set my eyes, but here lately when I do eyeshadow, I've been letting it stay wet and the shadows really stick to it, and I've been liking how it looks. Okay, so now I'm taking my Urban Decay Naked Basics, and I'm going to use the highlighting shade in this palette just underneath my brow bone to kind of brighten it up even more. And I will be using 2 other eyeshadows just to add a little highlight underneath my eyebrows, but I wanted to do this color first. And so I'm putting that directly underneath my eyebrow. And then I'm also going to take that in the inner corner and start to brighten that up a bit. Now I'm going to take the Stila single eyeshadow in the shade Kitten. And I actually use this sometimes for just all over highlight. And that's what it looks like. And I'm going to put that in the same place that I put the Urban Decay shadow. So directly underneath my eyebrow and also in the inner corner of my eyes. So I actually just got a ring light in from Amazon, and that's what I'm using in this video, and I really like it so far. Okay, so now I'm taking the Physicians Formula highlighter, and I'm gonna go back over those other 2 shades, and this has like a pearly, like pinky iridescent tone to it. It's really pretty. I got it in the mini butter bronzer box exclusive that they made. I actually got it at Walmart. So yeah, this is the last close-up, and this is just how I do my brows. And if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more from me. Thanks, guys.